Biology Part 131. Skeletal muscle structure. Individual skeletal muscles in the human body range in size from the tiny muscles of the middle ear, only a few millimeters in length, to the large muscles of the legs and the arms, which may reach 40 to 50 centimeters. Even so, they share a number of important characteristics. Number one, each muscle has its own blood supply consisting of an artery carrying oxygenated blood, a capillary network deep within the muscle tissue, and a vein transporting deoxygenated blood back towards the heart. Number two, each muscle receives its own motor nerves, a effector neuron from the CNS. Number three, the muscle exerts force only when it is stimulated to contract by the arrival of a nerve impulse in the motor nerve. Number four, the muscle is sheathed by connective tissues which extends at either end to form fibrous structures called tendons. These may be cord-like and circular in cross sections, or broad flat bands. They serve to attach the muscles to a bone or sometime to another muscle. The structure of a typical skeletal muscle is illustrated in the figure. A, B, C, and D. Its most important components are the cylindrical muscle fibers or muscle cells, which are 10 to 100 in diameter and up to 30 centimeter long. These are grouped together in bundles called fascicles and separated from one another by connective tissues containing blood capillaries and nerve fibers. During the development of individual muscle fibers are formed by the fusion of many shorter cells, each with its own nucleus. Consequently, they contain many nuclei, usually located in a thin surface layer of the cytoplasm called sarcoplasm. This layer also contains many mitochondria. The interior of fiber is packed with thread-like myofibrils, 1 to 2 in diameter, just visible with the light microscope. The myofibrils are the contractile elements of the muscles. They lie parallel and have prominent markings which give the fiber its characteristic stripped or striated appearances. The outer membrane of the muscle fiber is called sarcolemma. Further details of the structure of the fibers have been revealed by the electron microscope. As you can see that the sarcolemma is folded inwards intervals to form a long thin tubes and called T-tubules. These lie in close contact with well-developed regions of the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which cover the myofibrils rather like net stocking. The markings of the myofibrils correspond to the regular repeating units called sarcomeres, each about 2 to 5 long. The sarcomeres are joined end to end by thin plates known as Z-lines or Z-discs. The dark stripes in the center of the adjacent sarcomeres have a pale central region called H-zone and are separated from the next dark strip by the lighter regions called I-bands. The significance of these regions is now fully understood and is explained in the next section as we move ahead. Next, we have got mechanism of contraction. I'll give you the details of mechanism of contraction in the next video.